Hi dear aspirant, today we are discussing about what is intervening vowels and positional writing, second concept. So in English, punctuations, let's see punctuations, let's see. So in English, full stop represented by dot. Clear? So in shorthand, in English, in shorthand or steno, so represented, cross represented full stop. Clear? So comma represented comma. Next, question mark represented in English this symbol, but here shorthand where it is dot replaced to cross. Next, exclamatory represented this one, so where it is dot represented cross, so exclamatory. These are punctuations were followed by shorthand. So full stop represented cross, comma is comma, but a question mark represented where it is dot represented to cross. Why? Because cross represented, dot represented by cross. Clear? So exclamatory represented by same. Where it is dot represented to cross. So next, new line or new para. New line or new para. New line or new para represented by this symbol. So in shorthand, are you writing going on? So how do you like the book? How do you like the new book? So suppose you write. So how is there now? First, how? Asking question. So that's why question indicate. So where here? Suppose next line. So question mark completed. Next line. Do you like the new book? And I thank you much. I thank you very much. So here full stop represented by symbol cross, but here next line, if suppose I followed by next symbol, so here next line or new para, this symbol followed by next line, I will write do you feel about, so like this, any words, so like this. So new line or new para represented this symbol. Clear? So this one. So next we will started grammar lags. Grammar lags very important in stenography. Every chapter, every lesson having grammar lags. Grammar lags means in steno, what is definition means? Frequently occurring words represented shorten outlines. The resulting outline called thus resulting frequently occurring words. Some frequently means repeated. So in shorthand, suppose examples a, should, put shorthand symbols, put, so put, be, and the, these are repeated words. Suppose number of, in English, number of repeated words are there. Should, beyond, and, should, why, of, with, then. So number of words there. The repeated words, frequently means repeated words. Frequently occurring words represented shortened outlines. The resulting outline called grammar lags. Grammar lags are logos or logograms. Grammar lags are logos or logograms. These are same. So grammar lags, these are definition. So frequently occurring words represented shortened outlines. The resulting outline called logos or logograms. Frequently means repeated words. In English, number of words are there, repeated words. Let's see in the chapter intervening vowels and position of writing. In this chapter, grammar lags are there, some grammar lags. Let's see. So stick dot above the line. So the only thick dot above the line represented a or an. A or an. Same thick dot represented on the line. What represented? The. Represented by the. The direction of P. P direction, thick stroke is there. Small tick represented all. So thick on the line 2 or 2. In the direction of P, light stroke. Light stroke represented pencil. So off light stroke represented off. Light stroke represented on the line 2. Here straight stroke T, light stroke represented on. Light stroke represented on the line but. Ch direction thick down direction. AU GST art, OU GST art. So next thick light dash Ch direction represented who. And upward direction small tick represented and above the line, and on the line represented should. Should. These are one grammar lags in this vowel, intervening vowels and positional writing word. So let's see in chapter. So here grammar lags. So we have punctuations completed. So exercise 10 after grammar lags, and so what is definition is that. So here punctuations completed. Next grammar lags. So a thick dot represented a or an. Thick dot on the line represented the. In the direction of P direction, thick small tick represented all. On the line 2 or 2 off, 2 on, but who, ought, who, ought, and on the line who and should. So followed that grammar lags you followed 5 times. Grammar lags you practice by head 5 times, minimum 5 times. Read and copy and translation. It must be followed this concept. So next exercise 11 will read. So they it followed by the stroke followed by a sound. So they should is grammar lag. Here practice first the finishing grammar lags, then you will come to exercise 11. So they should ship all the coal on Monday the 10th of May. Please stop. So here May followed by small dashes. So these symbols represented, May represented this. So these symbols represented nouns and pronouns. Nouns, proper nouns. Noun and proper nouns. So nouns and proper nouns, so we are writing in English first letter should be capital. That's why we are writing nouns and proper nouns should be followed some symbols like this. So May. So here so nouns. Ramesh. This one Ramesh. How you write? These are nouns or pronouns we are followed. Clear, Amma? So next second line. Ask the cashier to pay all the money into the bank, BNK, bank at 2 today. Clear? So next third line. Miller and Robbie say they hope to get all the lead ready to catch the ship Adelaide on the 4th of the month. Clear? Next to 4th of the month. Clear? Fourth line. So the bill of lading should reach Canada on the 5th. You don't worry, outlines are long, don't followed by just F it. So phi through the F followed by E sound. So through the line means dot is there na, phi. So 5th of March. Clear? So who among all the party may move the vote. Clear? So again you read, 2 times, then copy, then transition. So next exercise 12 I read, you follow. So exercise 12. So first one, they should ask the head. Head is proper nouns. Head nouns are proper nouns. Symbols represented this. They should ask the head of the academy to change the date. Who took the padlock off? OFF, off. Only off represented grammar lag. Idi OFF, off. The get all the paddock. PDK, P followed by awesome. Paddock. Clear? So next, up. U sound is there. Second place light dash. Up to the date. All the party. She looked both rich and happy. The head of the bank may leave on Monday. Clear? So they ought to change the date on the check to the 4th of the month. Clear? So you follow these words and again you read 2 times. Then any doubt is there, you go to watch key paper. Key paper means nothing but to worry. Here shorthand is there. Outlines it English. That place English is here. Out shorthands same. Clear? So exercise 12 you complete today. Grammar lags and exercise 11 and 12 you complete it. Tomorrow we are discussing about alternate signs for R and H. Clear?